Hello health champions! Do you long for thicker eyelashes? Worried that your lashes aren't growing enough? You're not alone. Many people desire thicker eyelashes to enhance their eyes' beauty. Thin eyelashes can be caused by various factors, such as aging, medical conditions, nutrient deficiencies, eye infections, or hormonal changes. Other contributors include rough eye rubbing and not removing eye makeup properly, which can cause lash breakage. The first step to healthier eyelashes is to take good care of them. Here are some natural ways to help your eyelashes grow thicker. Keep in mind that these remedies may work differently for everyone. It could take several weeks or even months to see results, and you might need to try a few methods to find the one that works best for you. 1. Castor oil. Castor oil promotes eyelash growth and combats bacteria that hinder their growth. Use a clean brush or cotton swab to apply castor oil to your eyelashes before bedtime. You can enhance this remedy by mixing castor oil with vitamin E oil. Leave the oil on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Alternatively, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and apply with a cotton swab. Use these treatments daily for 2 to 3 months. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil nourishes and thickens eyelashes, helping to keep them dark. Dip a clean, old mascara brush or cotton swab into warm olive oil. Apply the oil to your lashes before bed, as you would mascara. Leave it on overnight and rinse with lukewarm water in the morning. Continue this routine daily for a few months. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, rich in vitamins and nutrients, supports eyelash growth and moisture. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your eyelashes using a clean mascara brush before bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse with warm water in the morning. Another option is to mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of chamomile infusion. Apply this mixture twice daily with a clean mascara brush, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use either treatment daily for several months. 4. Egg. Eggs are packed with protein, promoting thicker eyelashes, and contain vitamins beneficial for lash texture. Beat 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of glycerin into a creamy mixture. Apply with a cotton swab, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Do this 3 times a week for a few months. 5. Green tea. Green tea's flavonoids can enhance eyelash thickness and length. Brew a cup of unsweetened green tea and let it cool. Use a cotton swab to apply the tea from the roots to the tips of your lashes. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse with cool water. Repeat this process twice daily for 2 to 3 months, avoiding contact with your eyes. 6. Coconut milk. Coconut milk, rich in protein and fats, helps to grow thicker, longer lashes and adds shine. Dip a cotton swab in coconut milk and apply to your lashes. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Do this 1 to 2 times daily for a few months until you achieve the desired results. When using these remedies, be gentle with your lashes. Avoid pulling them when applying or removing makeup. Ensure you get the right vitamins and nutrients to support lash growth, and consider taking a multivitamin supplement after consulting your doctor to determine the appropriate type and dosage. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.